Hi and welcome back to College Dunya. In this video, we'll explain how to download the JMain Answer Key 2026, how to calculate your expected score, and what to do if you find any errors in the answer key. The JMain Answer Key is an official document which is released by National Testing Agency or NTA. It contains the correct answer to all the questions asked in the exam. Along with the answer key, the NTA will also release your response sheet and question paper PDF, which will allow you to compare your answers by the questions and estimate your score even before the official result is declared. When will JMain 2026 answer key be released? The JMain answer key 2026 will be released separately for each session. For session 1, the answer key is expected to be released in first week of February 2026, whereas for session 2 it is likely to be released in April 2026, usually within a few days after the exam is concluded. How to download your JMain Answer Key 2026. Now let's understand how can you download your JMain Answer Key. Firstly, visit the official website jmain.nta.nic.in. Click on the link which says JMain 26 Answer Key for your session. Log in by using your application number, date of birth or password. Once logged in, you can download the answer key PDF, your response sheet and the question paper for your future preference. How to calculate JMain score using your answer key. Using the answer key, you can calculate your estimated score by using the official marking scheme. For every correct answer, you will get plus 4 marks. For every incorrect answer, minus 1 will be deducted. Unattempting questions will carry 0 marks. Carefully match your responses with the official answer key and calculate your net score. What if there is a mistake in the answer key? NTA follows a transparent process. First, a provisional answer key will be released. If you find any incorrect answer, you can challenge it during the specified window by submitting a valid academic proof. After expert review, the NTA will release the final answer key, which is used to prepare the final results. How to challenge JMain answer key. To challenge the answer key, log in into NTA's official website, select the answer key challenge option, choose the question you want to challenge, upload supporting documents, and pay a processing fee of Rs 200 per question. If your challenge will be accepted, the fee will be refunded and the correction benefit will be given to all the candidates. Make sure you keep your all login credentials safe. Download all documents immediately after the release. Verify each responses carefully and regularly check official announcement for all the updates. That's all for this video. For all the latest updates on JMain result, cutoff, counseling and college predictor, you can check College Sunya's exam YouTube channel. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. All the best for your results.